mid-career professionals are worried about? That was the question I asked today. I had today because I wanted to know about what this segment wants, not what it needs. So as far as I know, people need jobs, yeah. So but they are in jobs. What about them? Like the most people who are finding themselves to be stuck are in the job, and they are in a good position as well. People who have been fired during this and laid off during this pandemic, though that segment is very different and their frustration is understandable. But what about these people who are still in the job, who are still doing good, only thing that they are feeling stuck? So as far as I am concerned, as far as I understand, they are stuck because they are not able to do something according to their potential, and they want to break their barriers, and they want to go global as same as like me. So what do I want? Somebody answered that many of them want to quit the job, but they are not able to, and don't know when when they will be able to. So any preparation this people, this segment is trying to do, and if yes, what is that? For me, I when I realized that I need to quit my job, I ask myself why. It was a good paying job. Of course, I was not able to do properly according to my potential, and that has happened throughout my life, throughout my career. When I started, I thought it is not according to my potential, and there will be never a profile that you will get which will be according to your potential or according to your satisfaction 100%. So what then? If you leave that, then your main source of income goes for the time being, right? Till you establish another enterprise of your you become a full time entrepreneur. You are still, you look for a job, right? So if you are in a job, what is the problem that is bothering you, that you need to know. And for me, I know that it is a small workplace issues, even big workplace issues, that can be the reason. But leave those external problems alone. What about you? You have to update yourself from time to time. Have you done that? So that is the number one reason why this sense of frustration creeps in, because till the time you update yourself and you keep yourself abreast of the latest happening, the latest progress, the latest development that is happening in around you, in your circle, you are satisfied. And if you are able to contribute, you are satisfied, right? So where is the problem? So twofold is the thing. One is your mindset issue. Of course, everybody is getting depressed during the pandemic. That is number one. And the second thing is they are not able to upgrade themselves. So if these two are there, and of course there is a requirement of time to time counseling as well. So all these three I put in a course. I am not a professional. I am not a regular coach. I have just started out. So according to my problem, I have designed that thing, and I have included all those which was bothering me. I was not able to upgrade myself. That is number one, because it was very expensive. Getting digitally upgraded is maybe can be a very expensive thing. The second thing is, since I was not able to contribute much, so I was feeling frustrated. So I became proactive, and it was a mindset issue. The other person doesn't know about your potential as much as you know. So it is your duty to display those potentials rather than having, like, say, um, complaining about the other person is not appreciating, the other person cannot appreciate if you cannot appreciate yourself. So it is a self acceptance thing for me. And so that is why I started being proactive. It doesn't matter how you are going to do that. Maybe sometimes you have to work with the senior, sometimes you have to work with a junior who has been there for quite some time, and there is no ego issue out here. If you can help the other person, your seniority is established, right? So that is what I did. And the second thing I did was I upgraded myself, and it was a digital skill that I have upgraded. So market price of that, if you go to a regular institute, it is quite high. So that is the second thing I have done. After packaging all this, I have also come out with bonus, which is the offer part, and that is the most important part, which I was struggling. I had the products, but I was not able to package them as bonus bonuses, and it is a very strange thing. You know, all the time you have the extra products. The main thing, whatever you are offering, that is your mindset issues. It is of course self development, people management, and dream management. All has to do with your attitude, perception, habits, and action. Little shifts in them. So it is basically a mindset issue. The way you perceive things, that is according to that your world changes and you can do something about it. So that is number one, which we can discuss amongst ourselves. The second thing is digital skill, which of course because I have learned, so I can um, explain you how I can do rest of the thing. We can I can help you to get the free resources. Once you learn the basics how to go about it, you can of course learn from the YouTube and everything. So the basic thing that I spend my time on, so that will be there. So today it was a great day. I could package my entire offer, my initial basic course, my counseling, everything into a package, and that is why I am happy. So I am expecting you to be happy too. If you are a person, very bright person, and you have been a change maker and you are feeling stuck, then this is an opportunity where I can help you out. So in this every Sunday at 12 I do a webinar. Please join that webinar. If you are interested, let me know so that I can send you the link. Please register yourself for free, and mm, please note that in that particular link there is a Zoom call link also, and also a free ebook which you can read and get yourself motivated, and then come to the webinar so that we can discuss thing. If you can know what I am offering, then you can join me and get yourself started, right? So please join me on Sundays. All every Sunday I do a webinar, and at 12 in 12 noon. So that is what I I have just started with my thing. Of course it took me lot of time, but my learning I can tell you. And if you are a proactive person, if you want to go ahead in life, then all the time see, once I am done with this course, I am not stopping there. There is a level 2, level 3, and I am constantly reading to upgrade that course, so that once you are registered into that course, it will be for lifetime. Whatever upgradation I do, that will be for you. So I create video tablets for say 2 3 or up to 10 minutes, which are easily consumable. So you can just watch a video and learn so much. Why not do that? So that you can do and get started, right? It is so easy, and we need to upgrade our skills to market ourselves. That also we need, because this is a good group, a big group where people are learning. we need to upgrade, of course, ourselves. It doesn't come automatically. There has to be some effort. So let us do that. I have taken the first step. I want you and I urge you to please take the first step. If you don't understand, please come to my webinar so that you can know what all I have done and what all efforts are required. It definitely requires effort. Without effort, nothing happens. But if you are feeling stuck and you continue to be like that, you will go to depression, right? So here is a person. Of course, in the market there are many, and you can look at them, and whoever you feel close to, you can join them. But here is a here whatever I have done, I am just offering you, and it takes you nothing to join my Sunday webinar, right? I am not asking any payment for that. It is free. So why don't you join that and learn whatever I have to say, right? It is so easy. And it 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 gets it takes you nothing at all, except the effort to be there, show up at the webinar, right? So let us meet on Sundays, and if interested, please DM me so that I can send you the link. Please do that. Thank you.